How to use chia seeds. Hello and welcome back to Knowhow. In today's video, we'll tell you how to use chia seeds for glowing skin, hair growth, weight loss and much more. Chia seeds are among the healthiest foods on our planet, but we just don't know how to use them for all the different benefits they have. They're loaded with nutrients that can have amazing effects on our body. So in this video, we'll tell you exactly how to use chia seeds for different effects like glowing skin, hair growth and thickness, and also weight loss. We'll also tell you how to make different masks using chia seeds so that you don't have to go to different videos searching for all the information. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our amazing videos. So let's begin. Have glowing and acne-free skin. These tiny black seeds are richly supplied with antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids, both of which slow down the aging process, soothe inflammation, reduce acne scars and keep skin radiant and healthy. Now that we know that they are really great for the skin, it's time to know how to use chia seeds for the skin. The best way is to make a face mask and apply it to your face. Also, you don't need to go to the market searching for face masks that have chia seeds in their ingredients. You can make your own face mask at home very easily. All you need is chia seeds, coconut oil, and lemon juice. To make the mask, mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with a half cup of coconut oil and a tablespoon of lemon juice. For accuracy, half a cup is almost slightly more than 100 milliliters. Let this mask sit on your face for about 10 minutes, and you will notice chia seeds forming a gel-like layer. At this stage, start massaging your face in a circular motion for a few minutes to exfoliate your skin and wash it off with lukewarm water. This mask will remove dead cells, hydrate, soothe and moisturize your face, and leave you with glowing and acne-free skin. Not only this, but you'll also notice those dark circles under your eyes fading away. Lose belly fat. For weight loss, just remember one thing: you need to have a high protein, high fiber, and low carb diet plan. All weight loss programs focus on this simple but extremely important thing. But how chia seeds are gonna help you lose that belly fat? Well, 2 tablespoons of chia seeds have almost 10 grams of fiber, and that's around 40% of the recommended daily intake. Its soluble fiber absorbs large amounts of water and expands in your stomach, which increases the feeling of fullness and slows the absorption of food, helping in weight loss. Other than fiber content, chia seeds are rich in protein, which helps in reducing appetite and food intake. Also, consuming chia seeds water in the morning can give a boost to your digestion and improve bowel movement. Remember, healthy digestion is an essential prerequisite to weight loss. Not only this, but chia seeds provide you with all the nutrients with almost zero carbohydrate content. Remember that one thing we mentioned earlier about a high protein, high fiber, and low carb diet? Well, chia seeds are gonna serve you exactly that. Now coming to how you should consume them, well, the best way we recommend is to add a spoonful of chia seeds to your morning smoothie and sprinkle them on top of your favorite salads. Chia seeds have a mild nutty flavor that goes well with both sweet and salty dishes. So this way, you'll lose weight fast without depriving your taste buds of your favorite dishes. Prevent cardiovascular diseases. Increased fiber intake has been proved to lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels. A review of 67 separate studies found that even a 10 gram per day increase in fiber intake reduced LDL, also known as bad cholesterol. Recent studies have also shown that dietary fiber may play a role in regulating the immune system and inflammation. Given that chia seeds are high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids, they may reduce your risk of heart disease. Rat studies have shown that chia seeds can lower certain risk factors of cardiovascular diseases, including triglycerides, inflammation, insulin resistance, and belly fat. Newer studies also show that chia seeds significantly reduce blood pressure in people with hypertension, which is a strong risk factor for heart disease. Although it's true that chia seeds benefit heart health, but they probably won't have a major effect unless accompanied by other beneficial lifestyle and dietary changes. Benefits in pregnancy. For women, while you are pregnant, it's a time that is both pleasant and difficult. You are happy that you'll be a mother soon and have a beautiful baby, while at the same time, you have to suffer from different phases of pregnancy like the feeling of nausea, abdominal pain, and most importantly, nutritional deficiency. Although you certainly need some multivitamins to fulfill this deficiency, one food that you can add to your diet without a second thought is chia seeds. Chia seeds are great because they'll add protein, healthy fat, and most importantly, fiber to your prenatal diet. With that fiber being added, there'll be fewer chances of you suffering from constipation almost all the pregnant women suffer from. Also, during pregnancy, omega-3 fatty acids are particularly important because they support fetal brain development. Chia seeds are one of the best plant sources of alpha-linolenic acid, a form of omega-3 fatty acid. The best way to consume them is by sprinkling chia seeds over your food, rather than eating an entire spoonful. Also, make sure to eat no more than 1 ounce of the seeds per day. Improve your blood sugar levels. High fasting blood sugar levels are a typical symptom of untreated type 2 diabetes mellitus. Consistently high blood sugar levels are associated with an increased risk of several inflammatory conditions, including heart diseases. Animal studies have found that chia seeds improve insulin sensitivity of body organs and blood sugar control, stabilizing blood sugar levels after meals. Not only this, human studies support this by showing that eating bread that contains chia seeds lowers the post-meal rise in blood sugar, compared to bread that doesn't include any chia seeds. So, you must consume chia seeds that are also a rich source of fiber, which further help prevent blood sugar spikes. Moreover, they are anti-inflammatory in nature, therefore a wonder food for diabetes management. Chia seeds for hair growth. Chia seeds have a high content of phosphorus, an ingredient thought to encourage hair growth. Also, a building block of protein, L-lysine, is known to promote hair growth, and chia seeds offer an abundance of this. These seeds further contain 9 essential amino acids related to not only stronger hair, but also healthy skin and nails. Now that you know chia seeds are beneficial for your hair, we'll tell you exactly how to make chia seeds mask of 2 types. One for hair growth, and the other to repair damaged hair. Let's begin. Number 1. Chia seed mask for hair growth. This hair mask is known to strengthen the hair follicles, repair damaged hair, and increase the elasticity of hair. You will need 1 spoon of chia seeds, 4 spoons of coconut oil, 1 spoon of honey, and apple cider vinegar. Soak the chia seeds in water for 30 minutes. Drain the water, and then mix the seeds well with the rest of your ingredients until a paste is formed. Apply this paste first to your scalp, and then spread it to the rest of your hair from there. Leave it on for at least 30 minutes. Rinse off with shampoo. You can use this hair mask every day without any harmful effects at all. Number 2. Chia seed mask for damaged hair. You will need 4 spoons of chia seeds and a half cup apple cider vinegar. Soak the chia seeds in water for at least 30 minutes. Drain out the water and put the seeds in a bowl. Add the vinegar to this and mash the two together to create a paste. Apply this paste on your hair from roots to tip and leave on for at least half an hour. To wear this mask off, you can shampoo just like you normally do. This hair mask is known to bring back the shine in the hair after seasonal damage and also strengthen the hair follicles. So these were all the chia seeds benefits, and we told you exactly how to use them for those particular effects you want to get out of them. But hey, the video is not over yet. Don't you want to know the best time to eat chia seeds or the best method to consume them for maximum benefits? Well, one of the simplest ways to include chia seeds in your diet is to add them to water. To make chia water, soak 1/4 cup of chia seeds in 4 cups of water for 30 minutes. To give your drink some flavor, you can add chopped fruit or squeeze in a lemon, lime, or orange. The best time to drink this water is the first thing in the morning, empty stomach. Although you can also consume them by sprinkling over literally anything you eat, just don't overconsume them. We recommend using 20 grams of chia seeds twice daily. Or, if you are eating them, by sprinkling over the food items, use a maximum of 40 grams per day. Hit the like button if you found this video helpful and share it with your friends too. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our amazing videos. You can also watch our other videos suggested just for you. See you in the next video.